Welcome to Project Insight. Today I'm going to be explaining the configuration settings for the Locations add-on. To begin from the home screen, navigate to Add-ons, then navigate to your Locations add-on. If you don't already have this add-on installed, you can obtain it through Get More Add-ons. However, if it's already installed, you can click Configure. First, let's go over the general settings. The first setting, Enable Coordinates, allows coordinates to be added to locations. These two settings, Show Company in Combo Box and Show Location Number in Combo Box, if enabled, will either show the company in the combo box or the location number in the combo box. The next section, Location Applies To, determines what item types you can add locations onto and how they work with the item. The first, Enable Location on Company, enables locations on companies. The Enable Company Required option makes it so locations have to be associated with a company before they can be created. The Enable Location on Project option allows locations to be enabled on projects. This Enable Multiple Project Locations option means that one project can be associated with multiple locations. The Location List Filtered by Companies option allows the location list to be filtered by companies. If the Clear Location When Company Changes option is enabled, if a project's company changes, the location of that project will be cleared. Enable Location on Task enables locations to be added to tasks. Limit task locations to project location list, limits the location of tasks on a project to only the locations associated with that project. Enable Location on Proposal enables locations on proposals. This Enable Location on Proposal timeline item does the same but with proposal timeline items. Limit timeline location to location specified on the proposal only allows timeline locations from the location list on the proposal. Limit timeline item location to locations of the company specified on the proposal limits the timeline item locations to the company locations that the proposal is associated with. Enable Location on Proposal Expense Line Item enables locations on proposal expense line items. In these three options, Enable Location on Proposal Expense Line Item and Limit Expense Line Item Location to location specified on proposal, as well as Limit Expense Line Item Location to locations of the company specified on proposal, are identical to these three options that we went over earlier. However, they affect the proposal expense line item rather than the proposal timeline item. For more information on the Locations add-on, including adding locations to tasks, projects, and companies, as well as creating new locations, you can refer to our existing videos and documentation on the subject.